Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video, guess what is happening? I was privileged enough to go to the Dubai Expo 2020. I am so excited. I did not know what to expect because I don't live here, so yeah, this is me already on the way. I forgot to start the vlog earlier enough before I left the house, but here we go. So guess what, guys? The first thing I did when I arrived is look for the Kenyan flag, and as you can see, Kenya is represented very well. So the expo represents every country in the world, guys, all the countries. So I was able to use this gate. There are several entry points. On the first day, this is the entry point that I use. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Without further ado, let's do this.
وبحب الملاحة والأسفار قد شرفت كما ترانا إلا نسلك دون and it let you be. Now I know for sure I don't wanna take you home with me.
Of family farmers serving global markets. Networks coordinate resources and materials that make things, like cars and smartphones, guiding the move.
I don't wanna take you home with me. Prepared to break the silence. I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall. God, I've been so down, can you pick me up? Don't let me fall. Can you show me how to fix this mess? I am down and on my knees and I may fall as I'm so close
guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Stay tuned for Dubai Expo 2020 Day 2. See you in my next one. Bye.